Hey guys, welcome back. So for today, I've got my Ipsy versus Boxycharm for December 2019. Late, I know, but I explained all of that in my last Battle of the Beauty Boxes video. All right, guys. So this time we're going to start with Ipsy first because I started with, this time we're going to start with Boxycharm because I started with Ipsy last month. So the theme for December was whimsy. All right, and you get your list of products right here. So first thing in here, what totally caught my eye is from Ciate London, and it is an illuminating blusher, and it's in marbled light. I love that packaging. This retails for $26. That's the other packaging, and then look how beautiful. That is gorgeous. I want to swatch this because I am loving this. So that's it on the finger. And then, oh my God, I love this. That's it right here. I don't know if you can totally see it, but I really like this. This is in the color Halo. A skincare thing? Yes. Oh. This is a brush cleanser and conditioner to clean my brushes. Hint, hint. This retails for $12 and it's from Aesthetica, and it says prolong the life of your favorite makeup brushes with Aesthetica Pro Series cleanser and conditioner specially formulated to effectively remove accumulated makeup and dirt from your cherished makeup tools. Ooh, nice. You guys know that I really love the the Cinema. That's my thing because it cleans your makeup brushes in like 2.5 seconds. But that'd be nice to try out. The next thing is from the Brow Bar, and this is True Brow Makeover Kit. This retails for $30. And I do not want to mess up my nails opening this packaging. Look how cute. I like that. So this is in the color Light, which obviously is not my color because when I opened this and I looked at the colors, I was like, hello. All right. So it has like the gel, like the powder. It has this is so cute. I love this. I wish it was my color. It has the mascara gel, the angled brush, and the flat brow brush. I wish this was my color because this is adorable. And I don't think I would be able to pull off the color in the middle. I think it's too light. But so pretty. I love that. I really like that. I like that idea. You could take that little kit everywhere. Next thing is from Elemis, and this is the Pro Collagen Rose Facial Oil. I like that. That sounds interesting. This retails for $79. Lord Jesus. That's what this looks like. Oh, this is so pretty. I love just the bottle. Oh my God, how pretty. So a luxurious, and it smells so good. I love things that smell like rose. A luxurious and lightweight facial oil infused with a precious trio of rose extracts to help smooth the look of fine lines and wrinkles, leaving the skin with a luminous glow. This I like. This I definitely want to try. Boxy, you're bringing it. You're bringing it, Boxy. And last but not least, we have the Fairytale Storybook Cosmetics Robin Hood palette. Look how cute this is. Look at that, like a book. And then when you open it up, there you have your palette. And it has the names from like the movie, I'm guessing. Robin Hood, Merryman, Forest, Nottingham, Maid Marian, and Quiver. So cute. I love this. I think this is adorable. Boxy, you brought it this month. You brought it this month, Boxy. Let's see if Ipsy can top you. All right. For starters, I cannot find... Oh, here it is. Okay. So Boxy's theme for December was Sparkle, Shimmer, and Shine. All right. So let's see what we got this month. All right, first thing in here, this is from Noya, and this retails for $7.99. They gave us a set of two. One is organic peppermint lip balm, and the other one is organic vanilla. Sorry, guys. I'll show you one of them. And that's $7.99 for the two. Next thing in here is from Evaluate Super Oil. And let's see what this is. This retails for $68, and it says instant moisture without heaviness. This plant-based squalane oil goes on like serum. It soaks in instantly and doesn't leave behind any greasy residue. Nice. I like that. Interesting. Next thing in here is a brush. So this is the Complex Culture Press and Set Bronzer Brush, and this retails for $35. Let's open this up because I always keep brushes. Oh, this is so pretty. It's sturdy. It's heavy. Wow, look at that. That's nice. I like that. Nice, nice, nice. I like my brush. Where did I put the paper? Oh, sorry. Next thing in here is from Tarte, and this is the Double Duty Beauty Stay Spray, the setting spray. I'm excited to try this out. This is $25, and this is what it looks like. It's so pretty. I love it. It's a full size. They say that the spray is microfine, and it has cooling aloe and cucumber extracts, and it keeps your look from melting, cracking, fading, or settling into fine lines for up to 16 hours. Smells so good. Yeah, I like that. Definitely like that. I need to use up my setting sprays. All right. And we also have a palette, and this is the the Van Ness eyeshadow quad, and that retails for $60, guys. $60. The packaging outside is gorgeous. It's like rose gold, which I absolutely love, and then it has your quads right in there. Very pretty. And then they did include a bag this month as well, so I think that we're back to the bags. And this is the bag for this month, which I'm not too impressed with. It's this. Of course, it's like December, New Year's, all that jazz, but it's, you know, it's not really up my alley too much. It has its little zipper. And that's it, guys. Well, this month is actually easy for me. It goes to Boxycharm. Boxycharm totally brought it for me for December. Ipsy was kind of lacking in several aspects this month, but Boxycharm brought it. So December goes to Boxycharm. I'm going to be posting, guys, a video. I know it's super late, but I'm going to be posting like the whole recap and who won for the whole year of 2019. And of course, stay tuned for my January video whenever I get my Ipsy. Ipsy is like, you know, they're getting kind of lazy or something. I don't know what's going on, but you know. All right, guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will see you next time. I love you guys so much. Bye, my loves.